Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Microsoft stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. From January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.69. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.68%. This means that on average, it has yielded a return of 0.74% per day since being labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong and consistent upward trend. This indicates the potential for further growth in the near future. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 13.61% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return on investment between 8.09% and 19.06%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 41.79% change in the stock's value over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 27.52% and 53.68%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $495.36 to $596.99 after 1 year. Our latest update on Microsoft reveals that the stock price has increased by 1% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the Microsoft stock price rose from $384.63 to $388.47, representing a gain of 1%. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.05%, reaching a low of $384.65 and a high of $388.68. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by 3.51% and has experienced gains in 6 out of the last 10 days. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 6 million, with a total of 21 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.19 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for this stock was $390.68, while the lowest price was $230.68. Currently, the stock price is 0.57% or $2.21 below the 52-week high of $390.68, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, we're going to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation, MSFT. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Again on Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush upgraded Microsoft to overweight with a hold action. Moving back to Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft a hold grade with a hold action. Going further back to Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler rated Microsoft as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Wedbush once again gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price-to-book values. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Microsoft. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Microsoft stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast for the stock, giving it a buy signal. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, there is support at $377.43 and $374.55. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 6.16% increase so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft has found support from accumulated volume at $370.73. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. In general, Microsoft stock exhibits controlled movements and offers good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with investing in this stock is considered very low. Over the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between its highest and lowest points by $4.03, representing a 1.05% change. The stock's daily average volatility over the past week has been 1.76%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in established companies with predictable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.75. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly given the right conditions. In such a scenario, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $370.73. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Microsoft, according to multiple analyst sources, is a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 277 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Thompson John Wendell bought 87,636 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 75.927. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,529,537 shares and sold 329,024 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $369.37, which represents a decrease of 4.92%. This particular stock has a history of low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk for investors. Furthermore, our analysis indicates a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 19 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft shows promising signs and is currently on a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering this, we believe it is a wise choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, January 16th, we expect Microsoft to open with a decline of $1.20, starting its trading at $387.27. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We're curious to know if you agree or disagree, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your target for the stock as well. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you great success. Have a beautiful day from all of us at Stock Invest.